Welcome everyone. Today we are having the topic that is absolute error, relative error and percentage error. And exactly the topic is elimination of error, and we will discuss about this percentage, relative and absolute error. What are these things? So for the elimination of error, it is said that whenever we are going to measure something, there must be some error, and that error can be positive as well as negative. So what scientists said, they said there is a equal probability of having the positive error as well as negative error. It means if we increase the number of observation, if we will do the so many times, if we repeat the experiment, if we repeat suppose we are going to measure the distance, and if we repeat this measurement again and again, so there will be less number of chances. So according to that, as we have already seen, what is exactly the error is? Error is the true value, the difference between the true value and the measured value. So what is true value? True value, we can say that arithmetic mean of all measurements, whatever we did, can be taken as true value. Arithmetic mean means we will sum of all the measurements and then take a mean, and that will be sum of all the measurement divided by number of measurement, and that can be taken as true value of measured quantity. So suppose A1, A2, A3 up to An be the n measured values of a physical quantity, then its true value is represented by A bar, is given by arithmetic mean. A bar or A mean equals to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus and so on up to An upon n. This is the way of taking the mean, as you all know. So A mean can be written this like this also. What is it exactly? Nothing else, it is 1 by n, and it is summation sign here. So we will put sigma here, and sigma, what is sigma represents? It shows summation, add, and the limit goes from I equals to 1 to n. So we will write a n, and what is n here? It goes from it will be I here. So what is I here? It will go from 1 to n, and there is a positive, there is a addition sign between them. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now come to the point, that is absolute error. So error, as we all know, the true value minus measured value, the difference between true value and measured value. So delta A1 is the error found while having the measurement first. So it is A mean, yani true value minus measured value. For the measurement 2, true value minus measured value, as true value will be same because it is the arithmetic mean, and after that we will have the final absolute error or mean absolute error. So for that we will add these delta A1, delta A2, delta A3, delta A4, and suppose it is up to n, so it goes up to n divided by number of terms, that is n. So it can be represented as we done earlier, 1 by n, sigma, limit goes from 1 to n, delta ai. What is relative error? So here is an example by which you can understand what is relative error. Suppose we are going to measure the distance 10 meter, and there is a error of plus minus 1 meter. Let's understand what is the meaning of plus minus. Means it can be positive error or it can be negative error, positive one or negative one. Suppose the distance is 10 meter and there is a error of plus minus 1 meter. Again you are going to measure the distance 100 meter and the error is plus minus 2 meter. So which measurement is good one, or which error is the severe one? So if you will see the error only, so you will say, sir, 2 is greater than 1, so this will be more severe. So this will be good. But if you will see the true value also, then you come to know that this one, the error here is not more severe. The error here is severe, because in 10 meter it is the error of 1, and here it is 100 meter and the error is only 2. If we go from this proportion, so it will be, if there is a error of 1 in 10, so for 100 it should be 10, but it is only 2. So it is good measurement and it is not good as much. So for relative error, why we use relative error? This is the function by which, this is the use by which we will come to know about the true value and the error, mean absolute error. So it is what exactly? The mean absolute error divided by the true value. True value A bar or A mean. And if it is percentage error, we will multiply it by 100 only. Thank you.